FIFA released a statement today about the decision they took to run their investigation independent of the South African government. What's, your feeling about that?
That doesn't stop what we are supposed to do. But we will not be in a position to stop them from what they want to do. I don't know what is their capacity, but I've stated it, I'm still repeating it. We are not a banana republic. Jerome Valcke have got no jurisdiction, and FIFA in South Africa. And that they will see when they come here. Their arrogance and pettiness will not actually make us to cower to asserting the principle of the sovereignty of our people, in the right to take decisions and to be able to chase criminal alleged actions like match fixing as they've been alleged in our country. So their arrogance and short-circuiting of issues will not affect South Africa and will guard against anything that seeks to undermine what we stand for as a nation and all of that. These shame statement they've issued borders on arrogance and pettiness. And basically, they want to demonstrate themselves that they are powerful than governments and that they can take unilateral decisions without engaging. Jerome Valcke came to this country. He never posed or even articulated or raised anything. When he has left the shores of South Africa, to show how shameful he is, he sent us a love letter that he is actually now in a position to send a commission. What a coward. Why didn't he come and tell us here that, no, I've now decided to take a decision and we decide to undertake a mission to investigate without you? So, that shows what FIFA is. They don't care about football, they don't care about countries. All what they want, it is resources and money and everything else, and taking unilateral decisions on behalf of governments. We are not a government accountable to him. Even if he can have a South African citizenship, we are not accountable to FIFA. We are an independent country, and at the same time we'll take our own decisions as per agreement. So in our book, nothing has changed. We're going ahead with our plans. The president will come back to us and we'll take it from there. We're not going to take our orders from Jerome Valcke and his arrogance. He should have had the decency to engage with us and tell us those things that he have written in that love letter, that we have delayed the process, we have done everything and all of that. He has never at any given point in time written to us and told us that he have decided now to take it upon himself. A decision he did not take. This is nothing short of thuggery, and that shows shameful and how they run football in the world. When people say that they are crooks and they are unreliable, they mean things like this. Why would you go and renege on a position that you've been part of and basically impose it when you have left, that we have decided to take a decision and disregard the South African government? What a shame. And we shall never ever do that. Our forebears in 1960, they said to us we had a choice to submit or fight. And in this particular instance, we shall not submit. We will fight any form of arrogance that seeks to treat our own government with disdain and disrespect.
So in terms of our own investigations, where are we?
In terms of our own investigations, the matter is with the president. The president will give us and table a report in relation to the recommendation that we have given to him about the Judicial Commission of Inquiry, and then we will engage SAFA and everybody in relation to what we want to do. This is our country, and we'll do what it's supposed to be done by South Africa as agreed, with or without FIFA. We will take our own decision independent of them. That letter does not mean anything or anything to us. All what it means is that it exposes who they are and what they stand for.